Just trying to check sheep from the other side of the river here, but I can't quite see it. I think we'll need to drive a bit further down and check them. I can't get down the field. I tried with the truck, but I'm just going to get stuck. So we'll try and drive down a bit, check the sheep, and then I'll need to go back for the gator to take them more hay, I think. But the river is absolutely wild. So managed to come across and see them here. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So they're all here. I don't know if you can remember from a previous video, I made a nice fence down that hill, put in good strainers. Well, as you can see from there, it's all washed out again. There's one of my strainers. There's a massive tree come from somewhere and it's ran through. But yeah, my fence on this lower half is gone again. Luckily my brother and that managed to get my hurdles and that disconnected and tied up. I've probably lost some, I'm not sure. And then my hay bobbit's still sitting there fine up on the bank in there, but yeah, it's crazy, absolutely crazy. Always keeps flooding. They're needing to get these rivers dredged out and get rid of the trees that are blocking it, because everybody's losing so much. I was just speaking to the villagers there in at Tannadice and some of the ones further back the way, and there's a lot needing to happen. So yeah, we'll just have to keep with it and get it sorted. Just out feeding the sheep, still wet. They're out on our last field of cover crop, and then they'll be coming into the shed for lambing. So just doing my walk around, check there's nothing, no problems. What? No, those ones are William and Becky's. Your black ones is this one here with the black face, and this other one up here with a black face. So yeah, they're all looking fine. Just a wee bit muddy, but it's what you kind of expect. So yeah, I'll have my final walk around and then we'll get back and see how everything's doing. The swans have gone out of the pond and they're now swimming across there. Some amount of rain again. All the way up there, flooded. Crazy. Husky.